To make chocolate,
we
have cacao butter,
cacao powder,
30
grams,
40 grams,
30 grams, and
and
magic carob.
carob.
Carob. How many grams of carob?
И мед еще. 30.
30 grams.
grams honey.
And honey, how many spoons?
3 little. And vanilla sugar.
Vanilla sugar, how?
1 little spoon.
1 little spoon. Okay.
Mix
Cacao powder
cacao powder
and carob.
and carrot.
Sugar.
Vanilla sugar. Okay, so we mixed it.
We melted cacao butter.
And added honey. What else?
Какао. Какао. Magic
Carob. Carob.
Magic carob.
Yes.
Vanilla sugar.
Yes. Mixed it. And we needed to have it. Wow, beautiful classroom. Look. Yes. It looks like Christmas. Wow. Yes. How many degrees? So we had 45 degrees. We put this mixture where? Into ice
water.
Ice water. Where did we get ice, Gleb?
Snow.
Snow. Where did you get it? Did you go outside? Outside, yes. You went outside and brought some snow for us. Then, how many degrees we had after that?
25 degrees.
25 degrees, right. So we put our chocolate, Katya, into snow, into ice water, and we had
25 degrees.
25 degrees. Okay, then what we did after that?
Then we have 33 degrees.
33 degrees. How we did it?
We put our soap
Какой соп? Мыло?
bowl with chocolate on the
Boiling water. Boiling water, yes.
boiling hot water.
Hot boiling water. And how many degrees we had then?
33.
33.
43.
Not 43.
Ой, 33.
33. Okay. After that, what we did? So the chocolate was ready. Liquid chocolate, what we did? We filled bags. We filled special bags
With chocolate.
Okay. Then what we did?
We
make
Молодец. We get scissors and
we make little hole.
yes, we made a little hole with scissors.
cut
That we filled in form.
Shapes. Okay. Gleb, what shapes did you have? So we worked in pairs. The first pair was
I and Kate.
Kate, and the second pair was Mary and Gleb. Okay, so what shapes did you fill?
gingerbread man and candies
Candies, gingerbread man, candies,
and как будет сердце?
heart,
And hearts.
Разные фигурки.
different shapes.
Different shapes.
And you girls, we had shapes, music, signs, guitar, notes,
Piano,
violin,
with Santa Claus,
snowman,
candy, Christmas candy, presents, socks, Christmas socks, presents, and Christmas tree.
Nice. Okay. And then when we filled in all the shapes, Masha, where did we put them? are they now? They are in the... Gleb, where is the chocolate? In the... Masha, where is the chocolate? Where is? Katya, where is the chocolate now?
Где cold?
It must be cold.
Fridge.
Fridge.
Cold.
Yes, it must be cold. So, Masha, where is the chocolate?
Fridge.
In the
fridge.
in the fridge. Gleb, where is the chocolate? In the fridge.
There is chocolate in the fridge now.
In the fridge now. Okay.
And now we eat chocolate with tea.
Eating.
We are going to drink tea with chocolate. Katya.
Drink chocolate with tea. Eat chocolate and tea.
And tea. Okay.
Our chocolate is ready.
Yes, our chocolate is ready. So get it from the fridge, please.
I want to taste snowman. I want to taste candy. I want to taste candy.
Okay, Gleb, what do you want to taste?
Taste candy and
Gingerbread man?
gingerbread man and
Everything.
Chocolate is good.
Good.
Perfect. Chocolate.
what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is perfect? This one is perfect.
Perfect.
Yes, nice.
It's perfect.
Chocolate.
Perfect. It's perfect.